Tabor Homes did not compromise on any of their building products that they put into the house. They used the best products. And even though they charge a little more than a regular house, it's well worth it because you're going to live in that house. You don't have to pay upgrades. You don't have to pay for extra things you need. In the long run, you'll be saving money. My name is Evelyn and I purchased a home at Scissor Crossing. Well, the most favorite thing about the home is the big kitchen space, the dining area. We're able to communicate while you're in the big living space. I love the bar. The appliances are great. I enjoy all the appliances that were provided by Tabor. My experience with the warranty has been awesome. They've been able to, they communicate with me, they give me phone numbers that I've followed through, and the employers that did their work are excellent employees. They have a very good attitude, and it's like they're there to serve you and they're happy to be there. I enjoy recommending Tabor to all my friends and family.